Hello children, today we will learn about time. In time, first let's learn about a clock. As you can see in the picture, a clock has two hands, one short hand and one long hand. The short hand shows the hour, but the long hand shows the minute. The hour hand takes 12 hours to complete one round of the clock. So, the hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next number in the clock. But the minute hand takes 60 minutes to complete one round of the clock and takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next number in the clock. Now let's learn how to read the time. As you can see in the picture, the minute hand points to 12 and the hour hand points to 2. So, the time is 2 o'clock. It can be AM or PM. In the previous slide, we had seen the time in full hours, in which the minute hand was at 12. But now in this picture, the minute hand is at 6, which means the time is half past the hour. As you can see in the clock, the minute hand is at 6 and hour hand is at 9. So the time is 9:30 AM or PM. Now children, let's also learn how to read the time in quarter hours. When the minute hand points at 9, we read the time as quarter to. As you can see in the given clock, the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is about to touch the 10. It means this is quarter to 10 or 9:45. The When the minute hand points at 3, we read the time as quarter past. As you can see in the given clock, the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand has just crossed 10. It means the time is quarter past 10 or 10:15. The minute hand has covered 15 minutes and the hour hand has just crossed the hour. Now let us also discuss about AM and PM. First we will take AM. We use AM or antemeridian to show the time between 12 o'clock midnight and 12 o'clock midday or noon. For example, the sun rises at 6 a.m. in the morning to give us light and energy. We use term PM or post meridian to show time between 12 o'clock midday and 12 o'clock midnight. The sun sets at 6 p.m. in the evening. Now children, let us learn about the time in hours, minutes and seconds. One day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now children, I will tell you that how to convert hours into minutes. As you already know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So to convert hours into minutes, we multiply the number of hours by 60. For example, if you have to convert 4 hours into minutes, so you have to multiply 4 by 60 because 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 4 multiplied by 60 is equal to 240 minutes, or you can say that 4 hour is equal to 240 minutes. After knowing the conversion of hours into minutes, we should also know the conversion of minutes into seconds. As you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So to convert minutes into seconds, we have to multiply the number of minutes by 60. As to convert 2 minutes into seconds, we have to multiply 2 by 60. So 2 minutes will be equal to 120 seconds. If you have to convert 3 minutes into seconds, so you have to multiply 3 by 60, which gives 180 seconds. So 3 minutes will be equal to 180 seconds. If you have to convert 5 minutes into seconds, you have to multiply 5 by 60, which is equal to 300 seconds, or 5 minutes is equal to 300 seconds. So, like this, multiplying the number of minutes by 60, we can convert minutes into seconds. After knowing conversion of hours into minutes and minutes into seconds, let's see the conversion of days into hours. To convert days into hours, we have to multiply the number of days by 24 because we already know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. To understand it more clearly, let's see one example. If I tell you to convert 5 days into hours, you have to multiply 5 by 24 because you know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 5 multiplied by 24 is equal to 120 hours, or you can say that 5 day will be equal to 120 hours. After knowing so many things about the time, let's understand the calendar also. In the calendar, 1 week is equal to 7 days, 1 month is equal to 30 days, and 1 year is equal to 365 days. There are 12 months in a year, that is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. There are 12 months in a year, but some months have 30 days and some months have 31 days. But February has 28 days in an ordinary year and 29 days in a leap year. What is leap year? That I will tell you later. As I told you in the last slide that some months are having 31 days and some months are having 30 days. So in this chart, I will show you that which of the month is having 31 days and which of the month is having 30 days. January 31 days. February, as I said you, that in ordinary year it is having 28 days and in leap year it is having 29 days. March 31 days, April 30 days, May again 31 days, June 30 days, July and August is having 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days and December is again 31 days. Now let's know about the leap year. Leap year is a special year which comes once in 4 years. A leap year is divisible by 4, like 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016 and 2020 are leap years. A leap year has 366 days. February has 29 days in a leap year.